Hello friends, in this video I want to tell you how to convert in text to a table and back in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. We have a text and we use standard Word tools to convert it into a table. Select the text, select the Insert tab, in the Tables group select Convert Text to a Table. A dialog menu will appear in which we select the number of columns and specify the separator. This is a symbol that will help Word recognize which data will be in which column. You can choose one of the standard separators or specify your own. As a result, we will get the necessary table. If there is no clear separator in the text, it's easier to create it quickly. For example, use the tab key, then select tabs as the separator. But if we have a task to convert a table to text, at the beginning select the table, and as you can see, after selecting the table, the Layout tab appeared. Select it. On the Layout tab, select the standard Convert to Text tool. In the dialog box, perform the reverse actions, specify the separator that will separate the contents of the cells in the text from one another. Click OK and get the text you can work with. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.